Hello everyone, welcome to Tech It Simple. In this video, we're going to see how we can add keep reading in Tumblr posts. It's pretty easy and fun, so let's get started. First, once you're in the Tumblr dashboard, on the left-hand side at the bottom, you can create by clicking on this Create button. Now, select Text. In this new pop-up, you can add a title in the box. In the body of the post, you can add some text. Again, to add keep reading, you need at least 2 lines like this. If you want to add keep reading after hello there, you need to click enter after there. Now, select the option that is at the very last, add read more link. So, click on it. It gives us the keep reading. Now, if you post, you can see how it's going to look like in the actual post. To see the post, we need to go to our blog. There you have it, keep reading. And if you click on it, you can see the rest of the text. I hope that was both fun and helpful. For future updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.